So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about DupDub, the all-in-one platform revolutionizing content creation. Now you might know from this video right here, I said all-in-one, right? Because that is very true. Everything we're going to do, we're only going to do inside DupDub. And by the way guys, I am using a free trial account. As you can see right here, there is no credit card requirement. So we have a 3-day free trial. You're going to have the idea to text, text to speech, AI avatar, AI video editing. Everything here is AI related. Before we get started, as best practice, I'm going to check on the pricing. Perfect. So these are going to be the prices for content creators. For company, these are going to be your prices. Going back here, if you want annually, these are prices. Monthly are going to be this one right here. There is also an option to pay as you go. I think for someone that doesn't really like having a commitment, this is the best feature for you. That being said, I'm just going to use my dummy Google account to log in for this one, and I'll see you once inside. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. So this is going to be what's going to be inside DupDub. You're going to see so much features here. We have AI avatar, AI voiceover, instant avatar cloning, and so much more. We also have some tutorials here, but you're not going to need that one. Anyway, you have your Halloween avatar here, the AI voiceover section right there. First thing I'm going to do is going to be this one. I'm going to create an AI avatar lip syncing, or a talking avatar rather, and I'll see you what's inside. Perfect. So this is going to be what's inside the AI voice generator. Now the thing that I noticed about this one is, there is going to be an animal photo option. That is the first time I'm seeing this one, because upon my trial and experience in AI generations or any other part of the software, this is the first time rather, that there is an animal option right here. Speaking of animal, you're gonna need the photo, so we're gonna go to this website. So this website is gonna go Pexels. I always get my stock photos here, royalty-free photos that you can use in any platform. By the way guys, speaking of photos that you're gonna use for this video, I suggest getting some with the one that's facing front and the one that has so much movement in the face. For example, I got this one right here. This is photo of a dog that you can see the chin, and there's gonna be a movement on the face, much like a good photo. So that's gonna be a tip for you, rather than getting a very serious cat right there. But I love cats though. Anyway, let's go back on the software. Now for this, I'm gonna click on upload animal photo for this, upload my photo right there, and then you're gonna see this reminder. There is a limit of 2000 by 2000 dimensions, so you can try another or crop it right there. So for example, this is the only allotted dimensions. I can simply cut this one to the desired one. And this is what I love about DupDub. It gives you the option to still use the image that you like, rather than uploading a new one. Because for example, you really like this photo, right? So let me just cut this one and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. So this is gonna be the image we have right here. So take note, we're just using the free trial, right? There might be the quality that you're looking for is not there, but the process is still the same. Anyway, the features right here is, if you click on this one, you can upload a face photo or another animal photo. You can replace the photo you have uploaded. You can crop it right there. You can change the background right here. For example, you can select the color, but I'm gonna remain as it is first. There is an image enhancer, or upscale if you call it. There is a subtitle option right there, but we're gonna get to that later on, because for now, let's focus for the voices. So first, let's type in what's our dog gonna say. So for example, hi, it's time for a walk, or walkie, something like that. I think this is good enough. Now once you have typed that one, you should choose a voice, or rather you can upload your very own voice for this one, or you can record your very own voice. For this video, I'm going to utilize the free stock voices on this part right here. I can choose an age. I'm going to go for children because I want it to be cute. I'm going to go for cheeky squirrel, spongy, silly star. I think I'm going to go for cheeky squirrel. Now, if you select cheeky squirrel right there, you can choose or a preview for this one. Let's listen to it right now.
I'm hotter than a hickory smoked sausage on a July summer day.
And there we have it. There is also an option here where you can search your matching voices. For example, you can search other voices that's the same quality or the same wavelength as Cheeky Squirrel. You can adjust the speed on this option right there. The pitch is right here. there is an English demo, Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, and so much more within 32 languages supported. Now I'm just going to select this one for the sake of discussion, and then you can also upload your voiceover file on this option right here. So there are actually 3 options on the voices. First is you can choose the default voice, the stock voices. You can upload, and then third one is you can record real time. Now once everything is settled, you're satisfied with everything, simply click on generate talking avatar for this one. Now welcome back to the video. We're gonna have this done. It actually took around 1 to 2 minutes. And let's preview right now.
Hi, it's time for a walkie. Hi, it's time for a walkie. Hi, it's time for a walkie. Hi, it's time for a walkie.
Now that is actually really cute, given that the tongue is out and the voice and the cheeks are moving. So you're gonna have an option here to download on that part right there. You can also play back this one or picture-in-picture. Alright, that's really good. Anyway, I'm just gonna set this aside and I wanna show you some more features. Going back on the home tab right here. And then once we're here, I'm gonna click on AI voiceover. This is now gonna be text-to-speech. Now watch, okay? I'm not gonna skip this one because once I click that one, it will now recognize what our project is doing. So as you can see right here, it copied the cheeky squirrel voice. Remember, this is the one we chose earlier? Because everything here is being capitalized. For example, if you choose one project, it will now continue on the next one and into the next one. It's just like any other project. Now for this one, we can write our text here, or since this is an AI video, I'm gonna ask AI to write for this one. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go for a video script. So write a video script about a husky dog, something like that, taking a walk, something like this one. Perfect. Right now it just paused in the middle section because there will be an option here to stop the writing. For example, if you're satisfied with it, this is what I have, by the way. I can click on done now. I can ask AI to continue writing, rewrite the previous one, make it longer, make it shorter, or try again, or basically discard it. Now I'm just gonna simply click on done for this one, so we don't have much time here. And that being said, you can now choose for single voiceover or multiple voiceover. For example, each line are different, but since this is gonna be a video about Cheeky the squirrel, I think single voiceover will do the work. Now check this one out. There are now options right here to change as much as you want. There is the speed and the pitch option right there. Now if I click on play right here, let's wait for it to happen.
YouTube video script. A day in the life of Max the Husky, talking walk. Intro, upbeat music plays. Scene 1. A sunny morning in a suburban neighborhood. The camera focuses on Max the Husky, a fluffy, energetic dog with bright blue eyes. Sitting by the front door.
Alright, I'm just gonna post it right there because I want to highlight that even though I don't follow the script, the lyrics, or everything in hide here, it's being highlighted as Cheeky the squirrel or the voiceover talks. It's really awesome, right? You can change your voiceover on this option right there. Now for example, let's go for Silly the Star. Or let's make it a little bit more human right now. I'm gonna go for Jack Daniels, Max Reed, or Blake Cooper. Which one do you want? I think I'm gonna go for this one, James Parker. I'm gonna select that one right there.
Hey there, everyone! It's me, Max the Husky. Today, I'm taking you on my favorite adventure, a walk around the neighborhood. So grab your leash and let's go.
Perfect. That is gonna be James Parker. Now for me, I think I love the cheeky squirrel earlier. And I'm just gonna remain this one as it is for now. Now speaking about the tools here, we have so much, right? But what if we add a barking sound effect? Let me just change this one or remain as it is as promised. And for this one, please position the cursor and insert the sound effect. I think I'm gonna go for that one. Make sure the cursor is right there. Add the sound effect. For example, right here, I'm gonna go for bark. Simple as that. You can play it right here, but I'm just gonna add it right there. So we have bark right here. And now let's all listen to it.
You there? Everyone! It's me, Max the Husky. Today, I'm taking you on my favorite adventure, a walk around the neighborhood. So grab your leash and let's go.
Perfect, and that's how you add the sound effect. Make sure the cursor is gonna be aligned, and basically that's it. Now I'm just gonna export this one by that option right there. So for the video, if you wanted the video an MP4 or MP4 with subtitle and green screen, that is gonna be for the paid plan. For the audio, we're gonna have MP3 and this file right here. I'm gonna go for MP3 for this one. simply export it. That will cost around 26.2 credits. Now let's try exporting it. And right now you'll notice that I decreased the script because the much script you have, the more script you have rather, the much expensive the exportation credits would be. And since I only have very limited credits, I'm gonna try as much as I can to lower the amount. For now, the estimated credit is gonna be 2.2, I still have 9.7. I'm gonna simply generate that one and export the video. I'll get back to you once it's here. Perfect. Right now it's gonna be inside my computer. Anyway, let's go back on the homepage. Now this is gonna be the homepage again. Make sure you're gonna be on my projects if you want to check your previous creations. It already has been organized into folders. Right now I'm currently inside AI voiceover. And these are the two generations I have. So I'm gonna click on the threads right there. I can export with MP4 without subtitle or MP4 with subtitle on this option right here. We also have the files earlier, with this gonna be the free plan. And let me try this one, maybe it will work or not. Let me just try MP4 without subtitle for this one. And I have it right here. So that's gonna be the worker one for you guys if you want to download it MP4 option. Now let's listen to the files we have downloaded.
YouTube video script. A day in the life of Max the Husky, talking walk. Intro, upbeat music plays. Scene 1, a sunny morning in a suburban neighborhood.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave it as it is right there. We have the green screen right here because it's gonna be an MP4. Now going back for the last feature, let's take it up a notch or next level. Going with the home tab one more time, let me just remove this one. Under video, you're gonna see this video editing option. If you click on that one right there, make sure you're gonna be on English because this is gonna be a Chinese application. So for this one, this is gonna be the video editing option. Now what can we do here? This is gonna be a pretty easy AI. I know some of us are not that good in video editing, but for this one, if I click on the videos, you'll see the dog video that we did earlier, the very first one. Everything here is connected as I told you earlier. Now you can just simply click on the plus icon right there, and this one is gonna be added on the timeline on the bottom section. You can also preview it right here. Again guys, this is gonna be simple as pie. And we have it right here. This is gonna be the corgi video we have from earlier. Now I know it seems a little smaller. Let me just expand this one so you can see it properly. There we have it. So the more you move it, the more you see the video. Pretty awesome, right? So you can add so much here. For example, you want to upload your AI voiceover, AI image, AI sound effect, translation, transcription, and AI avatar. This is gonna be depending on your own preference. Now speaking about background music, I'm gonna get with the audios right there. There's gonna be stock audios, 2 pianos. Let's listen to it first. Alright, that's gonna be a little bit more dramatic. For my taste, I'm gonna click on view all here. So we have this one right there. I think I'm gonna go with Peace Within. Let me just listen to it. Alright, I think I'm gonna go for this one. I'm just gonna simply click on the plus icon right there. And there we have it. It has been successfully added on our video. It's gonna be easy as that. Now focusing on the music we added, if you highlight it right there, you can now change the volume. The fade in, fade out, the denoise, audio special effects are gonna be right here. Now let's preview the video by playing this button right there.
Hi, it's time for a walkie.
So I know it's gonna be short because we only have a very minimal video right there, but let me just play it one more time.
Hi, it's time for a walkie.
You're gonna hear the background right there. You're also gonna hear the dog saying the time for a walkie, right? It's a really cute video. Now speaking about some more things to add, what if you wanna add some subtitles? You wanna add some text. Now for the text, for example, I wanna click or double click something here. I'm gonna go with this one. I can just simply add that one right there. Click on the track right here. I think I have it over there. And we have it right here. You can change it, for example, Tutorialboxx for this one. And right now, if I play it,
Hi, it's time for a walkie.
that text will be right there. Take note, pay attention on this cursor right here. This is your preview cursor. Now, for example, you're satisfied with everything. There is still so much things to go on with this one. I'm gonna make another video focusing on video editing in DupDub or the next one. For now, let's just save it as it is and click on export. That's currently being saved. And then, I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. And there we have it. So we're gonna have a no caption option or pure audio. That's gonna be depending on your own device. The model right there. I think this is everything I have. Click export. And basically, it's currently generating as of now. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.